Most of us are like this laundry schedule. But I'm here to tell you there is other ways in how to do laundry. So when I do laundry, I have, first of all, set up as habits of a laundry basket in every major room in my house. So I have one in the laundry room. I have one in my bedroom, like one in the guest bedroom. I'm not going to show you where they all are just because I don't want to have too much personal information revealed. But I do have laundry baskets in those rooms specifically. And if you want to have, if you have small kids or kids, whatever, you could have one in their kids in the kids' room, one in your room. We have laundry baskets. You can do laundry hampers. So then what I do is I'll take the clothes, bring them all into the laundry room. Don't have them all in because my husband's sleeping right now. So I need to kind of wait. I need to go get them. So I will take them and I'll sort them and I will put them in our washing machine. Dump them all in. I'll grab the soap up there and I'll put some in and I'll start it. Then after the washing machine is done, I'll throw them in the dryer and I'll dry them. The one thing that we always get to, they always say fold eventually. I do something else a little bit more intriguing, but what I'll do is I will keep a empty laundry basket on top of the dryer, and when the dryer is done and as I'm pulling out, I pull one thing out at a time. I will either fold it if it's a shirt, underwear, socks, I'll fold them. Well, socks I put into a pile. Normally I'll have my washing machine closed over here and I'll put the socks on a pile over here and I'll wait to fold them to the very end. And then I'll have underwear normally just folded and put in, but like t-shirts and things like that, I'll fold and put into the laundry basket. And I'll have an empty laundry basket. I don't have all my laundry baskets in here right now. And then if it's like a dress shirt or something, I'll hang them up and put on the hangers, and I'll just store hangers in here, and then as they're done I'll take them back to the room. So a little tip to get past that fold eventually, when the dryer is done, you have time. You have to take the clothes out anyway, so save time. Stand up and do this all standing up if you can. Take the clothes out one at a time, fold them, and put them in the laundry basket that is going back to the room that it's located in. So if you have kids' clothes, stack your kids' clothes laundry baskets up or something and stick them in the laundry basket, all nice and folded, and then they can put them away at the very end. I hope this helps. If you want more tips, please like and subscribe to our videos as I now get started on washing for the day, laundry for the day. Here goes.